hello there everyone. This is going to be a room tour of room 5056 at the Aria. It's on the 5th floor, as the room number indicates, and it is an accessible room. So it's near the elevator. That's sort of, if you look to the left up ahead, that's where the elevators are. Okay, let's go in. Let me first open the door. Okay. When you first come in, I've already been staying in here, by the way, for about 2 days. So when you first come in, you have to your right these two big closet type armories. Right there, there's some shirts in there, hanger. You get a ironing table there in the corner. You can see some hangers for you to hang stuff. And then I think there's a luggage rack right there in the back behind the shirts that my dad hung up because he's the one who needed this accessible room. That's why I got it. And then you have this little area with some cabinets below it. I just have some towels there, a bottle of water. My dad has some toothpaste or something's in there, some art on the wall. And then on this side, in this one, some more towels, hair dryer, another luggage rack, some hangers. Uh, so that's what you get on this side. And then if you look, there's the door again. If you look on the left side, that's where the bathroom starts. It's a sliding door, by the way, so it slides back and forth. There is a lock on it. Let me show you the lock. So there is a lock on the sliding door, but you come here, you have a mirror, a close-up mirror, light switches, some plugs, some tissues, soap, uh, and then, you know, just lotion and I think more soap, some glasses, trash can down there, and then you get the throne for whoever is king of this room at any given time. Because this is an accessible room, there is no bathtub, but there is a very large shower area. Let me show you what's inside. So, as you can see, it's very spacious. I'm standing with my back to the wall. Here's my hand stretched all the way out, and there's still a lot of room in front of it. Shower head, you can move up and down. There's different settings on it. I believe there's like a switch right there. You can see that you can move back and forth. They give you some body wash, shampoo, conditioner, a washcloth for whoever needs it. And then you also get a shower chair because this is an accessible room. Moving on, you get a very large mirror for you to check yourself out before you head out. Make sure you have the right outfit. And then once you enter the main room area, to your right is a door for any connecting room. We are not connected with the people next door, so it's not open. Here's just like an extra fridge that I ordered. It doesn't come with the room. You have to call in and order it. And then here's the TV, which I don't have on right now. The desk comes with a chair. There's a little trash can down there, some storage area down there as well. Here's the mini bar, which I would suggest not even opening unless you want to pay an arm and a leg. Some more mini bar type stuff. Bucket of ice, some glasses, some tongs to get your ice out of the bucket. A sofa with like a little side table next to it. There's my Crocs next to that. And then let me show you the bed area. So this is 2 queen, 1 queen bed here, 1 queen bed there. In the middle of that, oh, the bed, by the way, very comfortable, very soft. The pillows are, I would say, too soft. Your head sinks in immediately, even on 2 pillows, even on 3 pillows. But they're decent enough to sleep on. So you get a little iPad where you can control like the shades and the lights, and you can order food from their food hall or room service. You get little buttons on both sides: lamp, reading, good night. There's those buttons right there. And then back here you have some plugs, lamp right here, and then some cabinets. And then this one, the very bottom cabinet, is actually the safe right there, which you get to set with your own code. My code is, oh wait, I'm not going to tell you. Okay, now I guess one last thing to show you guys. Oh, actually, they have a little thermometer that you can, mess around with. We currently have it set at 68. And then they have these buttons here. Actually, let me show you this first. I forgot to show you these switches. So privacy, if you don't want anyone coming in for any reason, cleaning or anything like that. If you want your room clean, you hit the service button right here. And then this is master on off. You turn it off, all the lights in the room turn off. So you don't have to go one by one. And then some switches for the lights that are in this area. Now, back to here. These are the buttons for the shades: drapes up, drapes up, drapes down, shears. So let me do drapes up. Even though it's going to the side, I'm going to do drapes up and shears up. It should say side. I mean, they're not really going up. They're going to the side, you know. Oh, that's my luggage right there. The view, since we're on the 5th floor, is not particularly exciting, but it is technically a strip view. So mostly you just see the roof. But I mean, you do see, MGM Grand right there. There's a good view of Park MGM and the rest of the Aria that curves around this room right there. You see the Aria Express going. And then if you come to the corner here, you can see Planet Hollywood right there. And there you have it. A quick little room tour of a accessible room at the Aria. 2 queen bed accessible room at Aria Resort and Casino. See you guys later.